Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Amelie, has a question for us. What's up, Amelie?
Hey Gina, can you make breakfast sandwiches in a toaster oven?
Good question. Let's find out. Here we have an English muffin, a slice of cheese, and some ham. Oh, where can I find an egg? From a chicken. Thank you, chicken. We'll melt the cheese and the ham on the English muffin, and we'll cook this egg on that cast iron skillet. Sizzling. Ooh. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Wow, looks like our egg is done. Do you hear that? Ooh. Ooh, perfect. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Ooh! I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small foods we can make in our small oven. See you next time!